Today I'm cooking a simple steamed egg dish. It is a perfect, smooth, rich, and delicious side dish that can pair well with curries or on its own. This recipe is for 4 servings. Let's start with preparing the steamer. Add 1.5 liters of water to a steaming pot. Close the lid and switch on the heat to medium. Let it come to a rolling boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, marinate the chicken. I have 100 grams of boneless chicken cube here. Add half teaspoon of light soy sauce. Stir and mix until they are well marinated. This chicken cube were from the thighs, but the other parts like chicken breast meat can be used as well. Alright, leave them aside. Next, break 3 chicken eggs. I am cracking them one by one before adding them to a measuring cup. In the case that one of them is bad, the rest will not be affected. If preferred, you can crack them directly into the measuring cup. Alright, these 3 eggs make about 175 ml. Pour all the eggs into a large mixing bowl and beat them well with the whisk for about 1 to 2 minutes or until they are well combined like this. Then add 350 ml of chicken stock to the beaten eggs. The ratio of eggs to the chicken stock should be 1 to 2. As we have 175 ml of eggs, the chicken stock should be 350 ml. Strain the stock to remove any solid particles. Add half teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them well until combined. And leave them aside. In a wide and shallow steaming pan, spread the marinated chicken evenly. My steaming pan is about 9 inches in diameter. Sprinkle 20 grams of sliced fresh shiitake mushroom around the pan, followed by 3 tablespoons of cubed carrots and 1 tablespoon of cut spring onions. Let's check on the water now. Alright, the water is boiling vigorously. Perfect. Place the steamer over the pot. Transfer the steaming pan into the steamer. Then, slowly and carefully pour the eggs mixture through a strainer into the steaming pan. Double straining the eggs mixture removes foam, if any. This prevents the air pocket in our steamed egg. Cover the pan with a plate or sheets of food-grade foil to prevent the steam water from condensing onto our steamed egg. Cover the pan. Reduce the heat to medium-low and steam on low heat for about 12 to 15 minutes. This results in smooth and jiggly steamed egg. After 12 minutes, let's check on the egg. Open the cover. Oh wow, it's perfect. Our steamed egg is already cooked. Remove the steaming pan with a steam clamp and place it on an underliner. See, the steamed egg is so smooth and wobbly. Optionally, sprinkle some cut spring onion and serve. Let's eat. Wow, delicious! The egg is so smooth, fragrant and super rich with chicken broth. The chicken is just cooked, and the mushroom have released some umaminess into the eggs. It can be enjoyed on its own. So addictive. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!